Hi everyone, this is the day 2 of IELTS listening map series. Welcome to this series. Map is one of the question types that frequently appears in part 2, and part 2 is a monologue. Here I have a sample question. Questions 15 to 20. Label the map below. Write the correct letter A to I next to questions 15 to 20. Here you can see a map has been given and there are 6 questions. When the speaker says you have some time to look at questions 15 to 20, then you have to use that time to smartly analyze the map. You don't need to read these questions because the speaker will speak about these questions word by word. Okay? This cross is the place symbolizing you are here. You can see a main path, side path, footpath, road, farmyard, fish pool, car park, and new barn. The letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I are the ones that contain one of these features.
Now let me give you some idea of the layout of the farm. The building where you bought your tickets is the new barn immediately to your right. And we're now at the beginning of the main path to the farmland. And of course, the car park is on your left. The scarecrow you can see in the car park in the corner beside the main path is a traditional figure for keeping the birds away from crops. But our scarecrow is a permanent sculpture. It's taller than a human being, so you can see it from quite a distance. If you look ahead of you, you'll see a maze. It's opposite the new barn, beside the side path that branches off to the right, just over there. The maze is made out of hedges which are too tall for young children to see over them, but it's quite small, so you can't get lost in it. Now, can you see the bridge crossing the fish pool further up the main path? If you want to go to the cafe, go towards the bridge and turn right just before it. Walk along the side path and the cafe's on the first bend you come to. The building was originally the schoolhouse and it's well over 100 years old. As you may know, we run skills workshops here, where you can learn traditional crafts like woodwork and basket making. You can see examples of the work and talk to someone about the courses in the Black Barn. If you take the side path to the right, here, just by the new barn, you'll come to the Black Barn, just where the path first bends. Now, I mustn't forget to tell you about picnicking, as I can see some of you have brought your lunch with you. You can picnic in the field, though do clear up behind you, of course. Or if you'd prefer a covered picnic area, there's one near the farmyard, just after you cross the bridge. There's a covered picnic spot on the right. And the last thing to mention is Fiddy House itself. From here you can cross the bridge, then walk along the footpath through the field to the left of the farmyard. That goes to the house, and it'll give you a lovely view of it. It's certainly worth a few.
Now let's discuss the answers. Question number 15, scarecrow. The correct letter is F. The speaker said the scarecrow you can see in the car park in the corner beside the main path. So what is in the corner? In the corner there is only one letter and that is F, which is beside main path. It is not I which is in the corner. Corner means this kind of location in the corner. Question number 16, maze. The correct answer is G. The speaker said, if you look ahead of you, you'll see a maze. It's opposite the new barn. It's opposite the new barn beside the side path that branches off to the right just over there. So What is opposite the new barn? It's G. Opposite means something that is across from new barn. So the correct letter is G. Question number 17. Cafe. The speaker said, if you want to go to the cafe, go towards the bridge and turn right before it. You have to turn right. Don't go over the bridge. Okay, that is the difference in like the prepositional phrases. To go towards the bridge and to cross the bridge is totally different thing. To go towards the bridge means to approach it. The speaker did not say cross. Okay, go towards the bridge and turn right before it. So you have to turn right before you cross the bridge. Walk along the side path and the cafes on the first bend you come to. So bend is like this little curve, this kind of thing, and it's on the first bend you come to. So what is in the first bend? It's D. It's not E or S. It is D. So the correct letter is D. Question number 18. Black barn. The speaker said, if you take the side path to the right, here just by the new barn, you'll come to the black barn just where the path first bends. So the correct letter is H. So the first bend means the little curve in the first place. So H is in the first place where the bend happens. So the correct letter is H. Question number 19. Covered picnic area. The speaker said, if you prefer a covered picnic area, there's a one near the farmyard just after you cross the bridge. Now you have to cross the bridge, okay? There's a difference between crossing the bridge and to go near the bridge. After you cross the bridge, there's a covered picnic spot on the right. So what is on my right? It's the letter C. This is my right and this is my left. So on my right, there is the letter C. So the correct answer is C. And the final question, Fiddy House. The speaker said, Fiddy House itself, from here you can cross the bridge. Now again you have to cross the bridge, then walk along the footpath through the field to the left of the farmyard that goes to Fiddy's house. So the only option that leads to the footpath is the letter A. So the correct answer is A.